Starting a legal career is still a pipe dream to people of color. People of color and Latinx people have been locked out and excluded from participating in the legal system since its inception. The numbers speak for themselves. The Washington State Bar Association found that attorneys who identify as Hispanic or Latinx are only 1.7% of all attorneys in Washington State. This, of course, isn't just a Washington issue. Across the nation, only 5% of all lawyers are Latinx, although the population of Latinx people is 18.5%. The Washington State Bar has found that 712 Latinx attorneys self-identified out of the 27,300 who reported. Organizations like LBAW are turning the tide, though. LBAW has distributed over $100,000 to law school graduates throughout Washington. This eases the burden and stress that many Latinx graduates face when entering into the legal field. But we need your help. Who was that person that took a chance on you? Who was the stranger that gave you the critical lift that you needed? Who was that person that believed in you? That person that saw your potential? Now is the time to be that person for somebody else. Give without getting anything in return. You are changing someone's trajectory. You are giving someone a chance. Please donate to LBAW's scholarship program.
My name is Peggy Rodriguez. I am a 2021 graduate of Seattle University School of Law. I was admitted to the Washington State Bar in the fall of 2021. I am currently Seattle University's Essential Worker Fellow at the Unemployment Law Project, which is also supported by LBAW. I am the incoming co-chair of LBAW's Judicial Evaluation Committee, and in 2020, I was one of LBAW's scholarship recipients as a law student. Now, that scholarship was more than just money to me. As a first-generation law student at the time, and now lawyer, that scholarship meant that a whole community of people believed in me and believed in my dream. So when you give to LBAW, you're not just giving to this event and supporting an event. You are helping someone pursue their dreams. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you for helping me pursue mine.
This scholarship had a huge impact on me and my career path. I'm currently a deputy prosecuting attorney with King County. Studying for the bar exam is a very stressful time period for 10 weeks. I, at the time, had no job, so I had no income coming in while I studied for this exam. And so the scholarship helped alleviate some of those financial worries and stress. So this scholarship helped take away that stress and just allowed me to focus on studying for the bar and passing that exam. I would say to those people who are considering donate to please donate. It helps a lot of underrepresented students have some financial freedom while they are studying for this exam. Or anybody that went to law school, we know that when we study for the bar exam, it's its own full-time job. And so having a little bit of money to pay for food or rent or just the enormous expense of the bar exam class itself helps in being able to pass that bar exam. So I am very thankful and appreciative to those who have donated in the past. It has helped me, and I encourage people to continue to donate or to please donate to the scholarship fund, as it's very instrumental to those of us who are in law school, especially those of us who come from a lower income bracket. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Quintanilla. I'm a foreign lawyer from Peru. I'm a scholarship recipient from 2021. And I'm very thankful that I got the scholarship because this scholarship helped me to focus and concentrate more what I want to do in my legal career. Like now I'm focusing in my test to be able to have my admission for the LLM program for Washington State. Also, I want to say that this scholarship gave me more high the opportunity to have more high education and be more thinking more different here. Also, I want to say the money that I got from the scholarship as the allow me to concentrate in how I can be selected in my free time. Like I'm doing my legal volunteer for the Latino Bar Association. Also, I'm a volunteer for the judicial evaluation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Isaac Castañeda, and I am a former recipient of the LBAW scholarship. I am very grateful and honored to have received the scholarship. I received the scholarship, and right away it was more than just a relief of my financial burden, but more of peace of mind and putting my stress and worries elsewhere rather than have to worry about my financial situation. And so being able to, focus on other things that required more of my attention is something that I'm very grateful for. And I thank the LBAW for giving me the scholarship. What I would advise to somebody who's considering donating to the LBAW scholarship is that you're essentially paying it forward and providing assistance to somebody that doesn't have the means of possibly relieving themselves of the financial burden like I did. And so it's definitely something that will have an impact for sure on the individual that will receive the scholarship. And I hope to one day also provide my resources or some sort of donation as well in the future to this opportunity. And I hope to also pay it forward in that way specifically. So thank you very much, and please donate.
The importance of having Latinx people in the legal field cannot be overstated. People want representation from people that they connect with, that they look like, that they sound like, that they have cultural ties to. Representation matters. You are making a difference. Please donate everything you can to help this next generation be better than the last.